Rabbits out here too.
Yeah, it's nice area. Looks real nice. Find him, Cracker. Find him, girl. Find him, girl.
Rabbit loves his water.
Yeah.
Buffalo goes to wood, gonna kill him if he comes out here this time. Get him out of that water. Squatting again.
Ain't much room for him to sit down, though, is it?
Don't take much from him.
He's just working up under all this thick stuff, man. He's gonna pop out anytime, probably. I can't get him straightened out. It's amazing what a rabbit scent will do to them. Can't even see the dogs, dude. Yeah, I know it. Well, hey, we found a rabbit. Just I know. He's in here. He ain't gone far. She just got trying to get up underneath. She's trying to find a hole to get underneath the briars. She'll get it. There she goes. That's why a rabbit loves this stuff, because they, you know, it's hard. You see, you got 4 dogs, can't even get to them really. Yeah. He's liable to come skirting out your end there anytime. Out your side, dude. You didn't see him? Yeah, oh yeah, but she can run. Find them dogs. Let's see who picks it up. My Destiny Reggie pup, 7 months old. I got Destiny Trails female, Jackie out here somewhere. Got Firecracker and Pistol Pete. There's Cracker. We got a tough day of hunting here in Lawrenceville, Virginia. There we go. Pete picked it up. No, Pete got it for her. Here we go. Got 4 dogs on the ground. This is the 3rd rabbit we've ran today. It's been real tough hunting today. Yeah, he's going right back where he jumped. Right back to where he jumped. I think he came out on the field, almost. Right back to the pile he jumped him. Right back to the same exact spot he jumped. Coming back to you, Steve. This is some of the thickest shit I've ever hunted in right here. Right there. Cracker. Get him, Cracker. My Reggie Destiny female. Right at, dogs. Right at. There's a hole, dude. That's where it is. There's a hole right there. I think I see the hole. Yep. I think that's the hole right there. I'm pretty sure.